difference between the Salesforce platform user license. What is an update from your end?
I did both of them actually.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, I was able to assign, I created two apps, college and cool. And
Can
I
you
assigned,
will you be able to share your screen?
yeah, but right now I'm not seeing them. I did check even in the morning. I don't know.
You can
I,
share, like, then you
yeah,
can lab steps what you
sure,
have done, and I will see. Yeah,
sure,
just
sure. Like
yeah.
I wasn't sure if I did in the same playground or what happened right now. But yeah,
So you're using a Trailhead playground. You haven't created your own developer edition
I
account.
did. I did. I did. I have many accounts. So I was like, I'm trying to see which one is it. And then,
See, I would suggest you that just create the one account for this implementation so that you can easily track what you have done and how you have done. So it will be better for you.
yeah. I mean, yeah, I was able to see even in the morning. I don't know why, what happened. I kept my window open too. But
Playground,
right
are
now,
you sure you have created in the same playground?
yes, that's what I remember. But I see school. I don't see college here. Instead, I see accounts. I created two so that I thought one I would assign through permission set, and then other one I did through profiles.
Hold, I can only see your one screen of users because I think you shared only a single screen.
Um, View
You can
tab.
stop and you can reshare your entire screen.
Okay, maybe I'll stop and then I'll try sharing
Yeah.
my screen. Sorry. Yeah, I don't know. Somehow the system is slow too suddenly.
When you will share the screen, so there is the option of entire screen. You can
I
select it.
clicked on everything. It's slow. I don't know.
Okay.
Till now it was fine. Like I worked till 12:30 and then it was fine. Even now I'm clicking on share.
And
It's
in unable
working.
to access. Do one thing, you can just verify it in your playground where you have created these users and what kind of accessibility you
I
have
can
given.
see my users. Yeah. I'm trying to see what kind of accessibilities I'm trying to go through apps. As I
Uh-huh.
said, suddenly it got slowed down. I don't see anything in my app manager, a blank page.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
Th- There should be some problem. Nothing, nothing I can see there.
Okay. No
I'm not
issue.
able to share to. Like I'm clicking on the button on the entire screen, nothing is happening there.
Okay. You do one thing, like later on, na, just restart your system. Then might be you will get the accessibility. Just try in this way. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, I'm able to see yours,
Okay. Yeah, I just shared my screen right now.
but I'm not able to do it. I don't. I mean, yeah, I don't know why it's suddenly slow.
कोई नहीं, try later and just
Yeah, I know for sure I did it. I don't know why am I not able to show just now.
take the screenshot whenever
I will
you are
do that
able
from
to.
next time. Yes. Yeah. As a backup, I'll have something.
You take the
Yeah.
screenshot.
Because even, yeah, suddenly it changed. Like, why do I see accounts? I need to figure out what happened there.
Yes, it will be better. Okay. One
As said,
minute.
I'm not able to see anything in my app manager. It's a blank page. It's still loading, or I don't know.
Okay. That means so it's still loading, or try to delete the history of your browser as well.
Sure.
Yeah, if you will do in this way, might be you will get the accessibility. Okay,
Got it.
yeah. Yeah, coming to that same topic, uh, 1 minute. Hmm. Coming to that same topic, see what we have started as the advanced admin. Yesterday, we did the small revision about the basic criteria where we have understood about the applications, object, and fields. Even we have checked how to create an application through the app manager. Then we have understood the licenses, like what kind of a licenses we have, and the difference between the licenses as well we have understood. And if we want to give the access of an application, so we have checked that there is a app permission. With the help of that, we can give the accessibility of the application to that particular user. This is something that we have covered yesterday. Am I correct, or did I
Yes.
miss anything?
Nothing.
Okay, so going forward with the same topic of the data security, so let's understand today again about the data security in a detailed way. See, if you have noticed, we will have a one triangle kind of a diagram if we will talk about the data security records criteria. But if we will talk about profiles, permission sets, and there is a permission sets group as well,
Mm-hmm.
and then we will have a object level security, field level security, and then at the end we will have a record level security. Yes. So this is some. These are the topics that we will have in the Salesforce. I mean to say, in this data security topic, we will have a profile. We will have a permission sets. We will have a permission sets groups. We will have a object fields, and at then we will have a record level security.
Mm.
So let's understand where we can approach the profile and where we can approach the permission sets. So see, simple scenario is, let's say you have two users who are working in your organization, and these two users have a different profile,
Mm-hmm.
and you have a one object. That object could be anything. So now what they say is that this is this, that you need to give the access of this one object to these profiles to very simple way, because they have clearly mentioned that just give the access of this object to these profiles. What kind of a access? Just give them the read and create access.
Mm.
So if I will go, I need to figure it out which profiles I can use it here. See, don't match the profiles, username, object name. Understand the topic. Okay, you need to understand the functionality. And once you will understand the functionality, the same approach you need to apply in your own environment. Clear?
Mm-hmm.
So now, as I said that they are assuming that something is there. I don't know who. Again, the next person. Why? Give me a second.
Sure.
Yeah, let me just check which show you why it is happening. Hi, Shri Devi. Can you hear me?
Yeah, yes.
Yes. Hi, how are you?
Yeah, good.
Yeah, good. Yeah, I was just to get to know about this thing, so I think you were waiting in the link. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, we just had a one small session yesterday regarding this advanced content, okay, Salesforce content. So we had a small discussion regarding the applications, objects, fields, a small revision we did yesterday regarding the license and everything. So these are the topics that I have discussed with her yesterday regarding this app manager licenses, difference between the app permissions. So this is something we discussed yesterday, and today I started and I thought to discuss about the data security.
Yes.
So
Yesterday also I joined, but no one has allowed. But I thought, I think class was not there like that. I thought.
no, actually, there was a little confusion from my end. That is the reason. Even right now, as well, there are some people who were trying to join. I thought might be it's a wrong link or something, so I didn't allow. So, as I told, it's a confusion from my end. That is the reason it happened.
Mm. Okay. It's a
We
okay.
can-
Salesforce advanced admin, right? In this one.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's about the advanced admin in short.
Yeah. For
So
demo class, I joined. Demo class is this demo class?
no, this is not the demo class. As I told, this is the day one session that we have already started the things.
Oh,
Demo,
yesterday. Okay, yesterday it was demo class.
yeah, it's nothing like a demo. You know about me. We had already workshop sessions, so I don't think so any demo is required, but you let me know what are the questions, queries you have. I will give you the answer of all of your queries, and then you can be a part of the sessions.
They told me so Salesforce admin, advanced admin, you can
Mhm.
attend the demo class like that. They told me they have sent the link also.
Mhm.
That's why I joined this one for what is the next, what is the advanced thing I wanted to know. That's why I joined this one.
Okay, did you check the course content of the advanced admin?
No, not I have not. I think
You
it's
haven't checked the course of the advanced admin yet.
okay. Wait, syllabus and everything is there. Have mentioned. I think so.
Okay. See, the demo is something where we were not aware about the trainer or we were not aware about the formalities. Like, I mean to say, you will be receiving the recordings, assignments, but we already met in the workshop. So, you know my pace, my teaching criteria, and my knowledge area.
Mhm.
So, that is the reason I don't want to start that introduction and everything. We
Mhm.
can directly jump into the discussion of the content, like what topics I'm going to cover in the advanced admin that I can highlight it here if you would like to know, so that I can showcase you like what kind of a topics we are going to learn in these advanced admin.
Yeah, you can highlight that one. Sure. Okay.
Yeah. So, Manu, you can just wait for a few minutes. It's just a recap for you, and then we will go ahead with the topic area. Okay? Can you hear me, Manu? Am I audible?
Sorry. Sure. I'm trying to get my info from the pages again, and I have
Okay.
questions on it. So, meanwhile, yeah,
Oh,
you can go ahead
sure,
and I will
sure,
get back to my questions.
sure. Correct, correct. I think
Thank you.
Poonam have a point. Sure. Thank you, Manu. So, yeah. Okay. Hi, Poonam.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Good, good. How are you?
I'm good too. Thank you. So, let's take a revision, everyone. I need to say, let's take a short discussion that what we are going to learn in these sessions. So, let me just share my screen. Okay. So, basically, yes. Okay. You are aware about it, like this course is about the advanced admin. Advanced admin, that means we are, I mean to say, as a trainer, I am assuming that you already have done the admin content. You already have a little, or you can say that good hands on regarding the admin. So advanced admin, there are some topics which is very much highlighted in the admin topics, I mean to say in the admin content as well. And going forward to the advanced admin as well, there are some of the topics which are very much highlighted. First of all, there is a criteria of configurations of applications. Configurations of application, that means you should be aware about it, that what kind of a licenses, what is the difference between the licenses we will have, if we are going to create a custom applications or the standard applications we have in the Salesforce, who can access, which user can access, which license can access, and what are the accessibility we will have in these applications. So this is a one of the very basic and the common module which you have checked in the admin part as well. But here you will be having some scenarios. Based on the scenarios, you need to understand what kind of a configurations we can apply for these applications. Going forward, after understanding this configurations of the applications, then we have one more topic, that is about the data security. Data security is a kind of a topic where you have like I can say that you have a lots of configurations. Either it's about the user licenses, profiles, fields, objects, applications, records, manual sharing, or even based on the profiles, based on the users. So this topic is holding a very good weightage in the advanced admin. And this topic is also going to take time as well when we are going to start, because I am going to cover from basic to the advanced level. Even yesterday as well, I had a small discussion with Manu. So we just have started, like I just have kept the details about the scenario, that there are two users with the different roles and the responsibilities. So in and all, first, I am going to give you a hands-on about this topic, and then we are going to cover this topic based on the scenarios. Because you need a implementation, or you have to demonstrate this topic based on the user stories, based on some kind of a use cases, so that you will be able to give the answer in your interviews. So this is also a very important topic in the advanced admin that I'm going to cover. Yes, first we will start from the basic, where we will do a basic implementation, basic configurations, and then we need to jump into the like you can say that scenario based implementation, where you can assume we will be having a team members, there is a project object, team members can access the project, but under the team members there are the other users who can't access the project details. So this kind of assignments you will be receiving from my end, where you need to work with this data security topic. Going down after this data security, this configuration part, next we will have a one more important topic. If you are aware about it, there is a configuration of this area where you are going to learn about this service setup. Service setup holds the whole process of cases. Even I remember, I mean to say, few years back, I mean to say, I think in 2023, okay, in 2023. So basically, uh, what is happening, like, I remember one of my friend, he got the job opportunity only for the cases configurations, because service setup holds only the configuration part for the cases. You will see service setup home. Service setup is the home of service console. If you will see this service console. So this topic is also very much important in the advanced admin because here you are going to learn the whole case process where I can just highlight here service setup where you are going to learn about the cases, assignments rules, record types, page layouts, escalations rules, even the milestones as well. So this whole module is also going to take a 1 week, I can say that, to go ahead with the whole cases configuration. This is also the part of the advanced admin. I am just highlighting the core modules right now: data security, service setup, configurations of the applications. And as I told you, like in the future, if you want to apply for the jobs as well, so you can simply apply for this configuration area, like where sometimes they only wants to hire a people who have a good hands on with the services cloud. So services cloud, that means they are looking for a person who can easily manage the cases configurations. Cases means tickets, like from where they are getting the tickets data, the query data, the customers, or I can say the admin person who can easily manage this cases data. So that is a part of the service setup. Going forward, we have a topic of automation. If I'm saying about the automation, so many of you, uh, you are aware about it. Like you will have a workflow, you will have a process builder, then you will have a approval process, and then you will have a flows. Now, in the flows itself, we have a 4 to 5 ways to complete the flows. Flows are of two types. One is back end and one is front, that is front screen. Now in the front screen, we have a one flow, but in the back end, we will have the multiple flow: schedule flow, auto launch flow, record triggered flow. These are the three, and one is about the screen flow. So these four type of a flows I am going to cover in the session, and it's not like only with the simple statements where we just have created the flow and the part is done. No, in the flows, basically what you need to do, you just need to make a scenario. If you're not going to write a scenario, then you are not going to able to understand the flows, because flows have a lots of configurations: designing a variable, designing a resources, designing a components, or you can say that creating a logic as well. So flows have many options. So if you have a little hands-on in the admin, it is going to be helpful. If not, see, in the advanced admin as well, I'm going to start the flow in this way, where I'm going to cover a lots of scenarios. So this is also there in the automation, where we will have a workflow, process builder, approval process, and the flows. So data security, service setup, automations, and then come to the topic of reports and dashboards. This topic is also there. See, now you will say that we are aware about it, reports and dashboards. See, in the reports as well, we will have a many type of reports: summary report, metrics reports, tabular reports, joined reports, custom reports. And if you will talk about in terms of dashboards, in the dashboard as well, we will have multiple ways to create a dashboard. Nowadays they are allowing us, I mean to say, in the Salesforce we got option as well in the dashboards criteria, that we can add images, text, pictures. Like we are having a multiple options while creating our dashboards. So this topic is also very important. Like here I just have mentioned services, so you can assume here sales and services. If I will talk about the services, then there is a cases. But if I will talk about the sales, sales, that means whole sales cloud. in short, opportunities, accounts, products, quotes. In the products, if you will go here, if you will search here, sorry, products. So product is a standard object. It's a standard object. How you can add a products here? Like you will have the product category, product family. This is going to be related to your opportunity. And then you can generate a code. You can also approve a code. You can approve or you can also reject a code. Once this process is going to be generated, then another process is going to be started. So this whole process I'm going to cover, which is going to be a part of the sales and the services cloud. Now, I remember there is a one more section which I can say about the data management topic. Data management topic, that means where you will have a data loader or a data loader.io, data import wizard. If you have noticed, I already have a data loader in my laptop. So this is the 63.0.0 version. So with the help of this, all the operations, even how you can deal with the duplicates data, how you can deal with the relationships type of data. This whole thing I am going to cover with the data loader criteria. This data loader is there, and if you will go here, there is a data loader.io. This is also there, data loader dot. If you will see, this is offered by the MuleSoft. This is offered by the MuleSoft because it's a cloud version. The data loader is a client application. But data loader.io, it's a cloud. Even we will have a data import wizard. So you should be aware about it, all the three differences. Data validation rules are there. Validation rules are also very important. Although you have worked it, but there are some advanced validation rules that you should be aware about. There are some functions that I am going to cover under this validation rules. Automation tools, reports, and I don't know you are aware about it or not. Let me show you one thing. If I will go to my service application, no, not service. Ha, you can see my sales application. This is a general home page. You all of them have this. But if you will see top accounts and opportunity, if you will see this section, this is the page I have created based on the requirements. This is I created by the help of dynamic filters. I created a new lightning page, and in that lightning page, I applied a dynamic filters. This is something is there. Here they can only see the top accounts and opportunity. Now you will ask me how you are justifying it, like these accounts are the top and these opportunities are the top, because I applied a one filter while creating this page. Okay, this page I have created based on the client's requirements, but this is also the part of the advanced admin where you are going to explore Lightning app builder features, home page, record page customizations, custom tabs, apps, Lightning components, vs classic components. So this all are going to be a part of the advanced admin. Now, there are some strategies which I will explain you. If I will click on this, there is a recycle bin. If you will see, there is a recycle bin. So in the recycle bin, as we can know, within 15 days, if we can store the data, restore the data, sorry. So my data is going to be restored. So this backup and restore, what are the strategies we can apply? So this option as well, I am going to explain here. Even see, when you are going to join a company, so there is a production environment, okay, and then there is a sandbox as well. Sandbox is a testing environment. Then there is a full, partial, and developer. These are the environments we will have. So I can't show you the practical, like where is a sandbox, where is the full, where is the developer partial. But I'm going to elaborate you the difference between these environments so that when you're going to be a part of a project, so you can easily distinguish. Let's say, see, whenever we will log in a Salesforce, we generally write log in Salesforce. Okay, we can write in this way. And when we click on this say, so we will have this page. If I will change this login with the test, you will see what it will give me login into a sandbox. So when you will join a company, so you will be having this testing environment. This sandbox is a replica of your production environment. So this is going to be there. So these are the highlighted topic that we are going to learn in the advanced clear, Poonam and Sridevi.
Yeah.
Do you have any questions?
No, you can continue.
Panu, do you have any questions?
No, as of now.
Okay, fine then.
I'm just going through
So
my own data meanwhile. But yeah, I will come with questions after I get the full info. As I said, my pages are loading very slow. I don't know the reason.
try to delete the history of your browser. If you will delete the history,
I
you
did
don't
that.
mind.
Yeah, I did
Ah,
that immediately. But yeah, I don't.
which
I'll figure it
browser,
out.
which browser you are using?
Chrome.
Chrome you are using. Okay. Although Chrome will not take that much
Oh, no, no,
memory.
not Chrome. Sorry, sorry. Microsoft Edge.
No, 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 no. Don't use that Edge. Edge, see, some of the websites will not work in the old browsers. Okay,
Okay.
else use Firefox or use the Chrome. Don't log in into the Edge.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Um,
don't log in. Yeah.
yeah,
Go ahead
maybe.
with the yes, with the Chrome or go ahead with the Firefox, Mozilla
Sure.
Firefox. Okay.
Sure.
So, Sridevi and Poonam, I will tell you what we discussed yesterday. Let's just take a short recap, and you can also follow the same steps. So, the point is here if we want to create an application, so where we have to visit? We have to visit the app manager. If I will come here, if I will click here, setup section. So I want to create an application. If I want to, because as we know, Salesforce is what? First of all, you should be aware about it. It's an American cloud computing company. Salesforce is a software company, okay? And this software company, uh, Huh. This software company is also providing a CRM services, like how Google is providing the services. Netflix have their own services, Instagram have their own services. In the same way, this Salesforce company is providing the services. And what kind of a services they are providing? They are providing the CRM services. That definition is clear. Now, in the CRM services, what they offer a n number of applications, Sales Cloud, Services Cloud, and recently one more feature is added. If you will see here, My Services Journey. This is a new layout that they have created. My Services Journey. This is something different. Capability navigator where you can track all of your approval process, channels, knowledge, this knowledge, incidents, agent, channels. This is coming from where? This is coming from the services console, the same the from that cloud. Realize the full potential of the services cloud. So this is something new which they have recently added. So these kind of a services are provided by the CRM, that is Customer Relationship Management Platform. Fine. Now, when they are providing these kind of services, so the question comes, if we want to make an application, if we want to design an application, if you will click on this, so already we have some of the applications. These are the standard and the custom application. So here I can come and I can write a app manager. If in case your company is good with the standard application, so there is no problem, but they will say no, we need our custom application, so you need to design your custom application. You need to go ahead to this app manager, right click app manager, click on this. If we will click on this app manager, lightning experience app manager, if you will see, we will have a n number of applications. Some of the applications are from the classic and some of the applications are from the lightning. You should be aware about it, what is this classic and what is this lightning. Classic is an older version of a Salesforce and lightning is a new version of a Salesforce. I can't say that right now it's a new, because now it is also becoming a old, because I think 2018 they have launched this Lightning version. So earlier they were working with the classic version. Now the question comes, why the Salesforce haven't deleted the older version? The reason is Salesforce utilizing the services from the older version to the new version. I am in the app manager where I want to create a new application, but if you will see, some of the applications are coming from the classic version. That's okay. And still here as well, I can use them. So the point is how we can design an application, and when we are going to design an application, they are going to be a part of the Lightning or the classic. They are going to be a part of the Lightning, not a classic. If you will say why they have introduced a Lightning version, generally, if we will think that I have upgraded my software, why? Because I want to use the new features. In the same way, they updated the Lightning version because they have launched so many components which help the developer to design the pages. And these components were not available in the classic version. That is the reason they created this Lightning version, so flexible so that they can easily develop the components. So now if you want to design an application, you just need to click on this new Lightning app and you need to follow the instructions and you will be able to design the application. Poonam and Devi, are you aware about the steps how to design the application and the Lightning experience?
Yeah.
Yes, we have uh, gone through the class about it.
Okay, fine then. If you are aware about that, I have a question from here. Who I am in my account? I am a system admin. Who you are in your account? You are the system admin. I created a one application, project application. But when I went to this, sorry, let me do this. When I went to the app launcher and I searched it here, that is project. Project is my application. Don't worry about this one, which is available. But I created this project application and I'm not able to see it in my app launcher. Do you know why I'm not able to see it as a system admin? What is your answer? Why I'm not able to see this application? As you said, you have already gone through, you're aware about it. So just let me know the answer of this question.
Might, might be you logged in as another user sometimes.
Come again.
Uh, there is one of the reasons is might be you have been logged in with as another user.
No, I am in the correct user. I am in the system admin account. Still, I'm not able to see that application because you are saying might be you have logged in as any other user. Did I said that I created a user in my account? No. I'm simply saying that I created an application as a system admin, and as a system admin, I'm not able to see this application. Why?
You have to go into the pro app manager and do some kind of just like just permission set sort of thing. Uh, you have to do in that app manager like that something.
Today, after going from this class, create a one application. And when you are going to create an application, there is a one step. Give the accessibility to profiles. Did you remember this step, both of you?
Yeah, yes, of course.
So,
Profile,
in
but
that,
default it is available for a Salesforce admin, right? No need to access separately in general.
no, it is not going to be available in general as. So what I'm trying to say here, when you're going to create an application by the help of the app manager, and we have one step where we need to give the access of this application to some of the profiles. So don't select any profile and save all the steps. Don't select any profile and save. You can do it now as well. You have the access of your developer edition. Don't go ahead with the trailheads playground, please. If you don't have the developer edition environment, leave it after the class, create a new environment, and then do this implementation. May I know, do you have the environment or no?
We have.
Yeah,
Sorry, Puna?
we do have. Yeah.
You have that environment, correct?
Yes, we have.
And Sridevi?
Yes, we have the accounts. We are using those only.
So you please log in right now and make a one application and don't give the accessibility to any profile while performing the steps. Can you do it now?
Yeah, yes. Before the fifth step, it will ask the who had to give the access. Now, in that we generally we are selecting system administrator. That's why it comes in there. If you are not selecting that one, it doesn't appear. Yes, correct.
Yes, that was my push. If you
Yes.
will not give the access to yourself, you will not be able to see the application. That is system administrator. If you will give the access to yourself, then and only you will be able to see this application. And from here, we are justifying this. If you will go to the users here, if you will search here, that we will have the user here. So there is a part of, if you will see, there is a part of my username. If you will see this, so which accessibility I have a system administrator. So that means I need to give the access to myself, then and only I will be able to access that application. This is the one thing. Going forward, after understanding this criteria that we have application, custom application, standard application. Okay. Now, if you want to check that which user, listen carefully, if you want to check that which user can access all the CRM application and which user can't access all the CRM applications, how you will do this point?
If you give the administration role like that, you can access all those one.
Sorry?
Or if you give the profile administrator profile, you can access all applications in that. He has right to do that one.
Do you think profile that much matters which give the accessibility of the CRM applications?
I think I know that much only.
No. Profile system administrator is a half matters. The main matter is license. With the system administrator, if you have given the Salesforce license, then I can say that yes, they will be able to access all the CRM application. Even the weightage of the license is so high as comparatively to the system administrator profile. If you will give the license of the Salesforce and if you will give the profile as a developer, still your user will be able to access all the CRM applications. You can see in my case, if I will go here, there is a Taran and then there is a Prithvi. Taran hold a license of Salesforce, but the profile is CPQ specialist. But Prithvi holds a user license of Salesforce platform and the profile is DEV. So as per your answer, you said that if they have the Salesforce administrator profile, so they can access. See, I don't have the profile right now, it's CPQ specialist. If I will click on this login, so if I will click on this app launcher, you will see they are able to access all the CRM standard application. I'm not talking about the custom, okay? Custom, of course, in every licenses, we need to give the manual access. I'm talking about the standard applications. You will see they are able to access the standard applications. So see, profile weightage does not matter much, but license weightage matter most. License means what a user can access. That is the meaning of the license. Am I clear?
Yeah. Yeah, that, but a Salesforce administrator as of right our like that, which user license we have only the Salesforce, right? Administrator also.
I have shown Salesforce on the Salesforce platform. Hope you have taken a notebook. Did you have taken the notebook?
Yes, I have.
Yeah, just note down the things if you're not able to recall. So we have the licenses of Salesforce and the Salesforce platform. One is Salesforce platform, and then another one I have opened is a Salesforce because as a system administrator, which profile Salesforce assigned to us? Salesforce user license. And when we are also going to create a users, so we can split the differences between Salesforce and the Salesforce platform user licenses. We have the other licenses as well, Chatter, Work, Post.com, but they also are very low category licenses. The higher category is Salesforce, then Salesforce platform. So from here you got one homework. Try to make two users in a new environment with the two user licenses with the Salesforce and the Salesforce platform user licenses. So when you're going to design the users, you also require a profile. So profile give the accessibility of functionalities. That what activity a user can do in the Salesforce. It comes under the profile. So this profile, I want to elaborate you. I mean to say, I want to show you how to do that. You can go to this profile and then you can create a custom profile. So if you're aware about it, you can do it or you can leave it tomorrow. I can explain you how to design the profiles like a custom profiles and which type of a licenses you can pick while designing the. But I hope you got 2 points as on the basic level. One is about app manager section. Second is about license section. That is Salesforce and the Salesforce platform. Am I clear?
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, this is how the sessions are going to be happen, like in our upcoming days as well. So let's see tomorrow then how many are going to join. Accordingly, I'm going to forward with the topics. So hopefully, Manu, you got a recap about the topics again. Okay, like how this app manager and the other criteria works.
Yes, Saloni, and yeah, I have got my info back. I was able to load my pages. I can show you if you have time right now.
Sure, you can share your screen. Uh, let's see what you have done.
It says presentation is starting. Yeah, it's again taking time to share, but yeah, if it does take a lot of time, I would take the screenshots and
Yes,
uh,
yes, that
how do you want me to post it? Is it in WhatsApp? Is it in where do you want me? Where do you
you
want
can,
me to do that?
you can share what through WhatsApp, but instead of posting in the group, you can send me the direct message. Okay.
Um, so to your mail or
Okay, wait, I will give you my mail. See, you can send me and just drop a message in the group once you will send the screenshot because sometimes na, I miss
sure,
the mail.
sure,
Okay.
sure.
Yeah, I'll put the mail in the chat.
Yeah, thank you. I would make a note and yeah, definitely I will send you as a screenshot or maybe video.
Sure, sure, sure.
I don't know. Yeah, I said it's taking
We
a lot of
try
time. I don't know why.
just put the backup. In the backup, you can take a screenshot and then you can
Are you able to see now? It started. I don't know. Are you able to see?
it
Okay.
started. It's slow. Yes.
Thank you.
Wow.
This is my org and I created two users. One is Surya with standard and then other one is mock user with
Mhm.
platform,
Okay.
standard platform. And I logged in as mock user here. This is my mock user. And I have
Okay.
created two applications. One is college and other one is school. College I have assigned through permission sets and the
Okay.
school I did through profile. So I was just
Okay.
trying to do with the yeah, as I wanted to show you with the permission sets. It took time, I don't know why. And now it's again fine. Initially I was
Oh,
not able to see any as if they got erased.
okay. So that is the reason I'm saying just for the backup, take a screenshot.
Yep, I'll do that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So these are the things you asked. Am I missing something or you want me to learn more about anything in this?
No, 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 nothing more. First, I need to start this topic because yesterday we just had a overview. So based on the overview, this example is good. But let me just start this topic, then I will assign you some case studies. Okay.
Sure, that helps.
Yeah.
So you
Fine
don't
then.
want me to send you, right? In case I'll have your mail, but yeah, right now it's okay with it.
Yes, yes. Right now it's fine. In the future, for the future part, you can just take a backup by taking a screenshot and then you can drop me an email.
Sure, I would do that. Sure.
Okay.
Yeah. And are there anything for today which I need to work on? Anything
No,
in
just
detail, in specific with those topics only again?
no, no, just revise still here because we haven't started anything practical today. Let's see tomorrow and then we'll go ahead with the homework.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Fine
Thank
then. Uh, Devi and Poonam, do you have any questions?
No. Is there any another workshop is going on? I tried to
No,
join.
right now, so no workshops are going on.
Okay.
Yeah.
I asked the Hachion. They told soon we'll start like that. They told, but they haven't. They have not mentioned the date and time.
Yeah, right now in the group as well, more updates are there regarding the workshops.
Yeah. Okay.
Fine then, take care. So let's catch up tomorrow. Okay?
Sure.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye. Yeah.